Very good afternoon, people. So today is Friday, 24th or 25th, I don't know. So today, what are we going to do? We are going to replace the display of this MacBook Pro 15 inches 2017 A1707, and the reason why we are replacing the display. This is the reason why we are replacing the display. I just checked the display. Keyboard lights are working. We are getting the caps lock light. We are getting the touch bar, everything, but the display isn't working. So there is physical damage in the display. So let's open this up and replace the display. So I'm going to do this on camera for everyone. Let's go. First, let's disconnect the battery. The very first thing to do. Lift this battery cover off. You will be needing a few tweezers and one connection removed of the battery, so this doesn't want to come out. This is a pointed tweezer, so it will damage the battery cable, so we will take the flat tweezer. Yeah, it's done. You have to be very careful while doing this. You have to lift this little bit. Yeah, so the battery is disconnected. So let's check what's happening on this MacBook. I'll show you. See, the fan is spinning. You can see the fan is spinning. The charger light has come. See, as you can see, you can see the caps lock button, and you can see the all controls on the touch bar, but still we don't see anything on the display. So that is because this thing is damaged here. So let's take the display apart. So we will start digging in from this point. First thing to do is to take out this thing here. Yeah. One, two. This goes sideways. This is another one. Two. So we have to carefully take this small bracket. Yeah. So now it's time to lift the display cable off from our way. So now we have to remove these brackets here. Brackets and very small screws. And the most trickiest part of replacing this display is yet to come, people. Just keep watching. It will drop your jaws. So these three screws and these three screws here are for the display. So successfully we have removed the display. So as you can see, is the top case assembly. So we have removed the display completely. So now let's get the replacement display. So this is the replacement display. So now we have to carefully take this out. Because these cables are very delicate. One wrong move, it can ruin the cable and display altogether completely. So as you can see, one more dangerous part is if you can see these hinges here, this one and this one, you have to open this. See, this hinge is closed. You have to oh my god, you have to open this and make sure that these both hinges are on same level. Oh my god, these hinges are very tight, man. Yeah, I can see these two are in the same level. Yeah, we have put the display successfully inside. So let's turn it on and see. Yeah, as you can see, the Apple logo. As you can see, the Apple logo here. Success. We have successfully replaced the display. Just shut the machine. Let's disconnect the battery now. So since we have already fixed one screw of each side of the display, let's fix it completely. It's time for the Wi-Fi bracket to go back. So look at how this Wi-Fi bracket goes back. So you'll see the cables coming out from here. It's a very tricky process, man. Apple has made it next to impossible and complicated for these kind of replacements. It's not even going inside. Somewhere it's getting stuck. As you can see, two Wi-Fi connectors are in, so you have to pull the third one out. Two. Yeah, finally 3 wires are in. Oh god, finally. This is how it should go. So finally we are almost close to completing the process. So this Wi-Fi bracket screw, so we can connect these cables once everything is done. So this plate and screw will go onto the new one. So this is the old display, as you can see. So here's the crack and this is the damage. This is the reason why the display isn't working. These things, one, two screws are in. Here's the third one, and here's the fourth one. So as you can see, there are markings here. There is one sponge here, one sponge here. So smaller one goes here and the bigger one goes like this. Just slightly bend the cable. We are done. There's a few more screws to go. One, two, three. Three cables are in. Three Wi-Fi cables. Let's test it again. It's loading. It's done. Display replacement is done. Let's restart it once and see. So let's boot into my drive and check. So this is my drive. As you can see, it says my name, Mad Mac Tech. And load it in. So it shows Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is done. So let's check the FaceTime camera. Yes, FaceTime camera done. Let's close the camera. Let's check the screen brightness. Yeah, it's at full brightness. Yes. Done. You're done with webcam, Wi-Fi and camera. Yes. So that's all, people. That's all for now. So we have successfully replaced a damaged display of a 2017 15-inch MacBook Pro. Thank you so much for watching. See you all again in the next video.